This Action Transitions preset pack will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Download preset pack from the link in the description. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Place video clips on the timeline. Now let's import Transitions preset pack. Go to Effects panel. Right-click, Import Presets. Here preset pack is imported. Now let's take an adjustment layer. Place it like that. Go 10 frames back from the middle. Place adjustment layer like that. Now go 20 frames forward, and cut adjustment layer. Delete unwanted part. Now apply transition to the adjustment layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.